Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to directly convert an integer type to a time type without using the conversion function block. So here I have a delay on timer and I also have a variable called instTime that we are gonna use to convert into a time variable. Now let's say I wanna use this variable to set the preset time for this function block, and the way I'm gonna do it is like this. I'm gonna first type to time, open parentheses, then type it in int time. This is a direct function to convert any type to time, and it's going to convert this integer to a variable of type time and assign it to preset time. So now let's test it. I'll log into the controller. Now, if I want to configure a time in the preset time input, I have to assign a value in milliseconds to this integer. So let's say I want to put 2 seconds. So I'll write 2000, press Ctrl F7, and there you go. It's already converted and assigned to the preset time. Now, if I enable the input, it will take 2 seconds to enable its output. And that's how you convert directly a integer type into a time type in Master Tool, and I see you on the next video.